What's up, beautiful people, and welcome back to Yaya's Eats. Today we are making blueberry and pecan pancakes with a strawberry compote. So to a bowl, I am putting in about 5 tablespoons of pancake mix, a little bit of oat milk, and give that a good stir. And then I added on a little bit more because it was still very thick. And then I added on 1 egg. And yet some more milk because it was still very thick. And that's what it looks like. That's the consistency. And then I put a paper towel over it and let it sit for about 45 minutes. And this is the result. About 45 minutes later, very smooth. So time to add on my frozen blueberries, which I had defrosted overnight. And then my pecans, which I crushed into little pieces. Give that a good mix. Ooh, that looks so good already. Then turn on my stove and get some butter in that pan. I feel like this is like the 4th or 5th Yaya's Eats that I've been using butter. And then I just pour in just a little bit of that pancake batter into my pan. The perfect consistency. So that's what it looks like. This is my first time making blueberry pancakes, like ever. I usually go for the very basic pancakes because they take too long and half the time I'm hungry in the process of making it. So that's what they look like. I made 4 pancakes in total and decided last minute that I wanted a topping of strawberry compote. So I just used some frozen strawberries, put that in a pan, the same pan that I used for the pancakes, which I just washed out. Added about 3 tablespoons of sugar and then some lemon juice and just let that cook and stir it as I went. And that is the result. Very, very messy, but so good. So good. I was gonna save some of that compote for later, but what the hell? I just used everything. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on Saturday.